Hello and welcome to our channel. For today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset DNS in GoDaddy. Before we started, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell for you to be updated to our latest tutorial videos. Without further ado, let's now begin. So if you've gone to GoDaddy and you've changed the DNS setting of a domain and say something's not work and you just want to put it back to the original settings, I'm going to teach you how to do that. Now be sure to watch the video to the end to ensure you get all the steps correct and you don't mess anything up. Now with that being said, let's get right into this. So if you're going to GoDaddy itself and you'd go to like manage domain, for example, all of the domain settings and the DNS settings in here are going to be changeable but not resettable. So you can like change it and you can manually change them, but there's no way to like reset it back to the original settings that it came with. So I'm going to show you a way to do it that nobody else is teaching you. This is what you want to do. You want to go to where it says Help Center here, and basically you want to go to the domains, and it's going to give you a whole range of like different things you can do here. So you can type in reset up here, and so it's going to say, you know, all of these options was as helpful. No, it was not helpful, didn't help. So you can see even in here, like there's nothing of how to reset it. So what you're going to want to do is go to this bit that says contact us here, and from there there's going to be two options. You can quick chat. Well, there's gonna be a few quick chat, or you can call them. You're gonna have to enable cookies to quick chat with them, but what you want to do is contact with them with one of the support thingies and tell them they should be like, hey, my domain is messed up. I'd like to reset the DNS settings back to the factory default, and they will get back to you within 24 hours. Like, they pretty quick because I've done this myself. They'll get back to you really quickly and they'll say okay, fine, or whatever, and they'll reset it back. They might have to walk you through some security stuff first, but they will do it for you. But that's basically how you do it. If you find this video helpful, leave a thumbs up, share to your friends, and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next video.